makeup. Bleh. I'm doing a tutorial again, you know what it is. Today I'm using my Morphe palette 39A. Once again, first of all, I'm gonna prime my eyes with concealer. So this is CoverGirl Outlast All Day. And that was like a little bit too much, but I got it all over my eyelash. I think I just put too much concealer, but it's alright. So I'm just blending that. Alright, so after I have my concealer slash primer, that blue color right there. Where's my thing? Okay. She is pigmented. Look at her. So I'm just putting this all over my lid only. Not anything more, for a nice base. Say hi to Ruby. So I'm gonna add Fickle. Are you looking? Fickle. Fickle. But anyway, I'm blending at the crease. For the last color, I'm gonna add this yellow from Wet n Wild, because I don't really have colored eyeshadows. I don't really use colors, so this is the only color I have. I'm gonna put that right underneath the brow bone. I'm gonna scrape the color off so that I can get more pigment. Yeah, that doesn't really look good. That doesn't look good. I don't really have yellow. I need a yellow. So yeah, I'm gonna go back with Fickle. Fickle's my new best friend. I'm just gonna put it back where I had it and work my way up again. I know it looks crazy, but after the foundation and everything, it won't look crazy. So I'm using the Wet n Wild. I never know how to read labels. Okay, Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Light Medium. And that's what I usually always use for the past, I don't know. Should I put glitter or not? I don't know. Let me see how I look now. I don't think I want to put glitter, but like, I feel like it would look better. Ow, itch. That is too much. My e.l.f. setting powder. Connecticut is so cold. Like, I'm freezing. I have the heater blasting, mat pillows. I'm freezing. Like, it is so cold. I hate this weather. So keep watching my videos so I can afford tickets to Miami, because I'm not dealing with this weather anymore. I'm just looking like somebody from The Walking Dead, because yeah. So hold on, I'm looking for a small brush. Okay, this is a small brush, I think. So we're gonna take a small angle brush and we're gonna take the color Indigo. We're gonna line our line with that. Line our bottom eye with that. I don't know if that makes sense, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm not good at explaining things, okay? Okay. But I'm in the space with you. Like somebody from the Kiss band. Like with all this dark shit in my eye. After you look like somebody punched you in the face, you're gonna add Fickle underneath Indigo. It took me a while, but I decided that I wanted glitter to glaze an eyeglass. Look how cool it looks. It's like almost like slime or jello. It looks like this so far. This is pissing me off. How it's not blended. Where am I? Oh my freaking gosh. Whatever this is, and I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe.